Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So it's been excessively hot here the last couple days, so I'm kind of coming out just a little bit right before dark. Gonna try to throw some of this junk in the trash. Obviously, the parts and pieces that go with the car will clearly be staying, but just a lot of trash and stuff. I don't know why people let classic cars get to this point. I know the gentleman who had these was pretty old, but still, it's just kind of sad to see just trash and junk thrown in these old cars. So anyway, this is the mess I'm tackling right now. I'm just in my grubby clothes, gonna get a little bit done before darkness falls. Thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. My little buddy's helping me out here tonight. All right, so that literally took me about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put it on fast forward so you guys aren't just sitting through all the boring details. Here's all the extra parts that I got out of the trunk, everything that belongs to this car. Obviously not the 59 hubcaps, I am keeping those. There's a complete set on the 59, so that'll just be spares for my collection of parts. But all the trim and things like that, the car is not missing anything. It comes with all that. That is the V for the 59 over there, because as you can see, he removed the V and put like funny bullet looking things. So there's the V for the 59. And then this was another treasure of the night. I found a little skull. Should put that in the hearse. Shifter knob, pretty cute. Bandit, get out of there. Anyway, so I was told that the guy was a surfer, and there's literally probably a whole bucket of beach sand in the back of this trunk. This is literally all just like junk and things like that that I'm gonna use the shop vac on tomorrow. But other than that, we are clean in the trunk now. And like I said, lots and lots of beach sand. So that matches the story that I got, that he was a surfer and he used to drive the cars to the beach all the time. And as I stated in my previous videos, these cars are still currently registered. It says 2022, but I have the registration papers that get us all the way up until well, I should say September of this year, September 2025. So the other good thing about this car, typically, if you know Cadillacs, they did not extend the exhaust pipes enough to come out of these holes right here. So typically they would rust out. This bumper is beautiful. It is not rusty on the bottom. It's still extremely solid, no holes, no cancer, no nothing like that. So we have this little rust spot right here, and then a little one starting, Bandit, and then a little one starting over here. So as I said, when I'm done cleaning out these cars, I will be documenting everything, pictures, videos, very detailed. I already have a couple people asking about this one, a couple people asking about the 59. Had kind of some bad circumstances this week, so I haven't had a lot of time to get to these cars, but I am hoping that tomorrow morning I'm going to be out here probably at 6:30 in the morning before it gets real hot, trying to finish up the clean out of these cars, and then I'm just going to kind of spray them down and wash them. So anyway, that's it for tonight, you guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Have a very blessed evening. See you in the next video.